Back in December last year, we got some hands-on images of the OnePlus 9 that showed us the design from the front and the back. Well, now we have the hands-on images of the OnePlus 9 Pro. So apparently, this is the OnePlus 9 Pro and these images of the phone were shared by Dave2D. Everything aside, the most interesting thing that these images revealed is that OnePlus is partnering with Hasselblad. As far as I remember, the last time we saw a smartphone company partnering with Hasselblad was when Motorola launched its Hasselblad True Zoom moto mode. If you don't know, this is a company popular for making medium format cameras and lenses. So it seems like OnePlus is now pretty serious regarding the camera performance, because as we have seen in the past, no matter how good the OnePlus phones are, the cameras have always been average when compared to the competition. That might be changing this year, but again, this is something we would only know when the OnePlus 9 series goes official. The OnePlus 9 Pro has an extra camera sensor on the rear and also has the laser autofocus, both of which are lacking on the OnePlus 9 if we compare these images to those of OnePlus 9 that leaked last year. Some images of the camera app on the OnePlus 9 Pro also reveal 3.3x optical zoom and a new camera mode named Tilt Shift. Anyways, speaking of rest of the design, there is no change from last year. There is the same curved display on the front with a single hole punch cutout on the top left corner. The alert slider and the power button are on the right side, while the volume rockers are on the left. The specifications of OnePlus 9 Pro are still not known and all we have are rumors. But since this is a premium flagship from OnePlus for this year, the least we can expect is Snapdragon 888 and up to 12GB of RAM. So what do you think of OnePlus partnering with Hasselblad? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.